Mama.
Oh, hold on.
What?
It's,
Did you take a movie?
yeah, it's doing
Get it off.
Say hi, Blake.
Welcome to my world.
Hi. Oh, his little leggies don't fit in there anymore. Blake, are you hungry? I want to do the thing where you put the food
I
under.
can't open it. There we go. Okay. Smell.
He's like, come on.
Okay, these are pears. Taste. Want some more? Pears. More? They're not bananas. More? More pears? I know you're not a big fan of them, are you? I want to get his picture before he gets all icky.
Well, but it's such a cute movie.
Pears. Those aren't bananas. Those are pears. Ah. Okay, ready? Here it comes. Zoom. Open up the hatch. He's like, yeah, not happening. Tell Grandpa buy you bananas. This is so not like him. I wish it was bananas. Are those yummy? Yummy? Pears. Two pears. Wow, looks like he's outside. Out in the snow. Poor guy. Oh, is that better? Let's see.
Blake.
Are you a cowboy?
Oh, he's a cute buddy. Or
Smile for Mama. Hey.
Blake.
Say